Right.
My dear brothers and sisters, it was on this day, 1858, Our Lady appeared to a 14-year-old Maria Bernadette Soubrin in Lourdes, France. Then she appeared about 18 times to her. The message Our Lady conveyed to her was twofold, that she is the Mary Immaculate. Secondly, she asked her to pray for sinners. When she reported this to the parents and to the church elders, no one believed her initially. But later on, believed her the message that Our Lady had really appeared to her. We see Our Lady's concern for the world. The world is a sin and needs to be healed. The gospel passage we heard today, we also see something special. Mary's concern for the couple and for the family. The wine fell short. Mary was there to ask her son for help. Mary is a mother too. For God gave her to us. Jesus told Mary or John at the cross, "Behold your mother." She is our mother. And as every mother, we know, earthly mother, she cares for us because we are her children. We ask God today to help us to understand this reality that she is always there for us. We need to put our faith and trust in her, that what we ask through her intercession, God gives it to us. I happened to go to Lourdes 2 years back. And when we enter that arena, that area, you feel a sense of holiness. And people come there with out of faith. Faith in Our Lady's intercession. And quite a few who come there with deep faith and ask for favors, the favors are granted. It's like a mother. When we are as small children, we ask our mothers to give us this and to give us that. It was good for us and for our betterment. Our mothers give it to us. The same way, Our Lady intercedes for us, whatever we ask for, provided it is good for us. We ask her to deepen our faith in Our Lady so that we have intercession, we have recourse to her whenever we are in need.